So I will off this one because I found the leak, this one. So I will close this AC. There's a leak here. So I will close this one because the leak is here. So now identify the leak is here. Because I see the pressure is down again. So this now is the leak is the waters are very fast now. Before there's no here, only a dropping, but now compare me. We will remove this one. I will check what's happening this aquator bar between the bulb, this butterfly bulb, ball bulb. So there's a leak here. I will take the one set of the socket wrench. So the leak is between aquator bulb plants and plants from the spool. This is a balancing bulb. There's the leak. Plants to plants, maybe the rubber. It warning. We will check. We will open. But I already closed this one. So the bypass are already open. So the water will not coming here. So we'll bypass. Return to the pump into the chiller. We will try to fix again. Then alignment this one. Maybe this one is down and this one is